The future of property taxes in Jackson County hangs in the balance following two unprecedented decisions in the last 24 hours. Good evening, I'm Laura Moritz.
And I am Bria Berry. Chris Katz has the night off. The assessment process began to unravel last night as the Missouri Tax Commission released an order stating that 75% of the county's assessments were performed incorrectly. They say increases should be capped at 15% with a few exceptions.
Then early this morning, the Missouri Attorney General filed a motion to drop the legal case against the county, which was meant to challenge the assessment process. The case was dismissed with prejudice, meaning it cannot be brought back to the court. The question that remains, what's next?
And county and state leaders do not have solid answers tonight. KMBC 9's Andy Alcock is live on this story. And Andy, you talked to the legislators at the center of this issue.
Yeah, exactly right, Bria. 5 Jackson County lawmakers were here with a basic message. They support the tax commission's ruling, which could result in more than $100 million in tax relief for their constituents. Alan Diamond isn't sure he'll be able to keep his Lake Lotawana home. As we first told you in May, his property assessment more than doubled. Yesterday, he received notice on his appeal. The county was willing to settle for a 75% increase. But the Missouri Tax Commission now says the county can only increase assessments by a maximum of 15%. But county lawmakers say don't expect a refund or tax credit anytime soon.
The likelihood of us getting to a cash repayment is going to be really challenging.
Part of the issue is County Executive Frank White plans to fight the Tax Commission's ruling. In a statement, he says schools, libraries, fire districts would suffer with a disproportionate impact on black and brown communities.
Frank White has been hurting black and brown families for the last 4 years. And the reality is we don't have the money to issue refunds.
It absolutely fills my mouth with bile. There's nothing more disgusting than stealing people's homes.
Chris Wolfenbarger, who appraises homes for a living, accurately predicted in December there would be a 15% cap on assessment increases because required inspections were not done. He and his colleague Jason Ormiston say the result is the tax burden has forced people from their homes.
We've not been treating people fairly, and it's very unfortunate because it's supposed to be a process that is approachable by the average citizen.
And Jackson County lawmakers also say they plan to introduce a measure on Monday to prevent County Executive Frank White and the county from spending any money to challenge the Tax Commission's ruling. Reporting live outside the Jackson County Courthouse, Andy Alcock, KMBC 9 News.
Thanks, Andy. Frank White's office has sent out several statements, but he was not available to answer our questions today.
Millions of dollars from your property taxes have already been spent at local schools. Jackson County just sent out a statement detailing the impact that districts could face if money is sent back to property owners. They say schools and libraries could lose more than $86 million, and cities and fire districts could lose more than $19 million.